Hey, what's up, guys? This is a 2011 BMW Series 5 535i. I'm installing aftermarket subwoofers with the LC2i converter. All right, first you gotta, remove the side panels. Usually got a clip here, one on the side here. You gotta take the little latch off, and then two by the rear seat, which should be here. I think here and somewhere around here, the other one. You gotta take the under seat off. It'll pop off. Just be careful if you got heated seats because it's connected to the wires. And they remove two screws that are right here in the back seat. All right, so pretty much I took both of them off. And then in order for you to get the good sound for the subwoofers, you have to tap into the subwoofers that are factory, which would be the thick wires. There's thin ones and thick ones. The positive is brown blue, negative blue red. The fat wires, because there's two sets here, like if you see here, you see the difference. And then for the other side, it is black brown, black red. Brown's always a positive. See what I did, I tapped into the small ones and I wasn't getting sound. So then I looked at the diagram my cousin sent me. He's a mechanic. Then I seen it was pretty much the same colors, but they had thin ones. So pretty much tap into those two. Well, actually four. Blue, red, blue, brown, one side. Black, red, black, brown, the other side. Then you'll get the best sound. So what I did the little clamps instead of cutting the wire. And I ran it here. Pretty short because of the L2C, the LC2i converter to keep the factory radio. Sorry about that, guys. And also for the LC2i, you got to run it to positive and negative, which I ran those to the battery, which it says on the paperwork. And then for the remote, I tapped into this fuse, that 10 red, this one, to get the power. So when you turn off the car, it'll turn off. Turn it on, it'll turn on. Yeah, it's a lot of wires here. For the ground, I tapped into this one. That's good ground. I have tapped in over here. It was giving me good ground, but then it kept going out. So I just rerouted everything over here this way to this one. That's where you got it for the battery. And I'm adjusting everything. You'll see a picture of when it's all done. At first I had tapped into the rear speakers. That's why you see those wires there. On that side too. And I was getting bass. But to rock two Kickers L7's, it wasn't hitting. So, I was gonna take it to the shop, but they're too booked. So I just messed around with the wires. Well, I don't say want to mess around because I don't want you guys to do a shortage or something. But I looked at the diagram, and it's always the thick wires. This is a factory amp. So this is the thick wires. Because you got this one, and if you see right here in the bottom, it's the same colors. Always go with the fat ones. That's your subwoofers for the inside car. Now, if you don't want to mess around with the amp, you could go to the driver's seat and passenger seat and take screws off. I believe it's one on each side, and then one on each side in the back. Pop the seat back, and then you'll see the subwoofer there. But they gotta wire this for the airbags. So I don't want to risk it with that. All right, so this is how it looks so far. I mounted the amp onto the panel, the LC2. As I connect everything up, put everything back.